plot is the organized pattern or sequence of events that make up a story. Every plot is made up of a series of incidents that are related to one another. Let's take a look at some of the properties of elements of plot. And the first one is exposition. That comes at the very beginning. This is usually that occurs at the beginning of a story. Here the characters are introduced and we learn about the setting, and most importantly we're introduced to some of the main conflicts or the main problem within the story. So let's think about exposition, the part of exposition in The Man of Steel. For example, in this part we are introduced to the setting. We see that it's taking place on the planet of Krypton. We're also introduced to Superman, both of his fathers. We're also seeing this conflict, this internal conflict that he has of trying to fit in and what role he is going to play out in society. The second part of a plot line is the rising action phase. This is the part of a story that begins to develop the conflict or conflicts, and a building of interest or suspense occurs. The third phase is the climax. This is the turning point of the story. It's usually when the main character comes face to face with a conflict. The main character will change in some way after dealing with the conflict. The fourth part is the falling action. This is when all the loose ends of the plot are tied up and the conflicts and the climax are taken care of. The final part of the traditional plot line is the resolution. This is the part when the story comes to a reasonable ending.